Hi Dale, how are you?
Good, Val. How about yourself?
Oh,
Pretty
fine in
wild,
here.
yeah, pretty wild day with Janet Yellen speaking. I don't know what she said, but it sure took the dollar down.
Yeah, I was,
Um,
yeah, I was checking. She did not mention anything about economic policy, at least at the beginning of her speech.
yeah,
And anyway, the greenback reacted to the downside. But we have, I told you that six Fed speakers today, and there are a couple
yeah,
yet to come. So
yeah,
a bit early to say nothing about that, right?
yeah. It's a good day not to trade, isn't it?
Yeah, particularly the euro, which has been trading in what 70 pips range ever since the week started and going nowhere.
Yeah,
The market is needing some definitions and it's unable to find them right the time being, you know.
yeah,
Draghi is saying that they will. The fact is that we had Draghi talking, we had Fed talking, but nothing said nothing new, right? As far as I know, Draghi earlier today said that they are planning to review quantitative easing in December. Pretty much what we have been hearing for the last what 2 months already, right? Since October or November, we heard that.
yeah.
So I don't
Maybe it
know.
was a tell. It was a tell that he couldn't even talk it down to new lows on a candle I have. I don't know about 5 hours ago. Um,
Yeah,
I don't know. My view is I still think that there's maybe one more shot down towards I have some levels around 106.40, 106.20.
yeah.
Maybe you could share your screen and we could take a look at some of your technical areas to give
Yeah,
us some.
I do agree with you that we have some lows in around 620, 640, which should be pretty relevant and pyramid retest, right, before even attempting to bounce. But I also believe that if we've lost the 600 level, we can go down to that 460, the year low post early March. And so
Right.
far, what I have noticed is that the 800 figure is the level where selling interest is coming, right? If you take a look at the short time frames, we have
Yeah,
been pushed.
your charts aren't showing right now, Val. At least I can't see
Oh,
them. Can
okay,
it?
okay. Give me a second. I will
Okay.
try to share my screen. Can you see it now?
Maybe it's just me. Can everyone see Val's charts?
Yeah, I'm posting the euro dollar 1 hour chart, 1 day chart, sorry, hourly chart, daily chart.
Okay.
Can you?
I don't. There. Now we got him. Okay.
Yeah, you got it?
See the
Okay.
euro now. The daily.
Sorry. Yeah, I was saying that the 800 level, we have formal lows in there. So
Yeah.
we need to settle above this level to see an upward corrective move that can extend up to 920, 950, and yet should be barely corrective for me, right? Up to
Yeah.
920, 950 seems to be corrective. And I was saying that I will make it smaller. If we lost the 600, 620 level in here, we can retest those lows in March, right? On 416 euro. I don't know. Let's see what the rest of the Fed members had to say, but I do believe that this has been pretty much last week. Take a look at the daily chart here where we have long wicks, daily basis, and little volume intraday, little bodies,
Yeah.
candles.
Yeah.
So no much in here. Short term 690 seems to be the support and 800 is the resistance, right? In the middle we have the 740 region, 730. But 690 seems to be the support to break to confirm further declines.
Okay. Anything else you're focused on besides euro today?
Yeah, I was watching the pound, this latest bullish run. We had this recovery from this week,
Yeah.
which to have made an interim resistance, an interim top in 50 to 50 last night. There has been a downward move towards the 38.2, and all of a sudden we are recovering. But as long as we remain below 50 to 50, I don't see the upside limited. Okay, and I would like to take see a break below this 51.60 to see a pair resuming its decline. If it does not, then there are chances are of further upward movements for the upcoming days above this 52.50 and probably towards 53.60 or so. And the other thing that I'm paying attention to it was that rally in the OC. The fact is that uh, The strong employment readings released in Australia
Yeah.
last night. People don't, it's not really serious, not really convinced about the number being real, you know. It came like 5 times the average, 5 times, over 5 times what it was expected. It's like having a payroll in the US of 700, the number we had in Australia last night.
Okay, so suspicious of the number.
Yeah, suspicious, really suspicious, the number of job creation. But anyway, the pair is holding so far above 71. The small dip we have below the level has been pretty relevant. And what I'm watching in the 4-hour chart is my 200 exponential moving average as the price reach it and retreat from it, right? So I would love to see some follow through above this 71.60 to see a pair rallying farther during the upcoming sessions.
Okay. Those are some great levels. You failed. You never fail to disappoint. You're always giving us some great technical levels. I told people before you got here that don't be
Thank
nervous, jumpy, because Val will calm everyone down. That you're very steady, even during emotional markets, and you've given us
you.
some real nice demarcation lines to pay attention to, Val.
Okay, thank you for that
I
course.
appreciate it. I
Well,
love you, and I love you.
love you today,
All right,
really.
so everyone in here said, I asked who loves Val. I got lots of whys, so it's always great to, see
Thank
your charts. You calm me down. I don't need to take a tranquilizer now that I've heard your levels, and now it gives me it gives me some guidance moving forward.
Okay,
So
great.